Today we are making our spicy margarita from start to finish. So let's get started. All right, first thing you're gonna do is empty the sugar packet into, this is our secret sugar and spice blend, into the jar. And then fill the jar with tequila. And then you're gonna put the lid back on. Shake, shake, shake. And then let this sit for 1 to 3 days at room temperature. And then you can chill before you serve. I have one that is already ready to go here. So what we're going to do is strain the mixture into here. You can use any type of strainer that you have available. You can even use a French press. I'm just gonna use this. And then you can save your fruit in there for garnish if you want. Now we're gonna add a mixer. So a good rule of thumb is 1 part craft cocktail mix to 2 parts of mixer. So this was 16 ounce. These are our 16 ounce jars. We also have 32 ounce available. And this is 32 ounces of just a limeade. And then we're gonna just give that a little stir. And now I like to do a little rim on my margaritas. So what you can do is just take a plate. This is the easiest way to do it. Just add a little bit of your, this can be anything sweet, a sticky beverage or honey. And then this is our hibiscus salt blend, which will be available soon, but you can use any type of margarita coarse salt. And then what you're gonna do is just dip your rim in the sticky thing and get your rim nice and covered there. Add a little ice. And pour the margarita in there. And we're gonna add a little garnish. These are also going to be available soon, a retailer near you. And add a little, you can add a lemon and a lime if you want, but I think it's cute with just actually 1 lime.